Yes, hello Ethan.
Yes, sir, you are audible now.
Okay. So everything is okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, here we have to start about large numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Just wait. Yes. So it's about large numbers, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. As you can see here, there are the two words. The first one is large, the second one is numbers, right?
Yes, sir.
Large mean
Big.
we can say? Large mean
Big.
big, right? Or we can say
Yes.
greater. When we will compare the two things, at that time we use
Yes.
the word greater, है ना? Or
Yes.
greatest, right? So big.
Yes.
And the numbers, what are the numbers? I think we have already discussed in our demo class this
Symbols.
one. Yeah, very good. The numbers are
Symbols.
symbols, है ना? They are just symbols, same as English alphabet symbols, है ना? In Hindi
Yes, sir.
we learned about Varnmala, है ना? Varnmala are also
Yes, sir.
symbols. Okay.
Yes.
So similarly in maths there are some symbols, okay, mathematical symbols. You can say they are mathematical letters, है ना? For understanding you can say कि they are mathematical letters, okay, or
Yes.
mathematical symbols, okay, which we use for counting, है ना? For counting, for sequence anything, for arranging anything, for ranking anything, है ना?
Yes.
Like, okay. So those symbols are known as numbers, right? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So numbers can be classified in two different things, the two different way. The first one is what type of number? We have
Uh,
already discussed it in our demo class.
Hindu Arabic number and
Yes, very good, है ना? Hindu Arabic numerals, right? Arabic
yes, sir.
numerals. And the second one is,
Roman
second one
numerals.
is, yes, Roman numerals, right? So here mainly
Yes,
we
sir.
will learn about Hindu Arabic numerals. Okay, this thing you have already learnt. We have to start the large numbers directly. Okay, but I
Yes,
want
sir.
to just check your concepts to make it more clear. That's why I am starting from the basic. Okay. So we
Yes, sir.
already learned the in Hindu Arabic. Here we will not discuss about the Roman numbers. Okay, we will discuss about the Hindu Arabic numerals only. Okay, when we will learn the
Yes,
Roman
sir.
numerals, I will explain each and everything about it. Okay. So now
Yes,
let's
sir.
discuss about the Hindu Arabic numerals. Can you please tell me how many digits in Hindu Arabic numerals? Number of
Sir, there
digits?
are 10 digits.
Yes, very good. Hana, great clap for you. Good. So what are the digits?
Zero, one,
There.
two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8, 9.
Yes, है ना? They
Yes, sir.
are they are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
there are only these 10 digits. With the help of these 10 digits, we make many types of number, है ना? Different types of number. One digit number, two digit number, three digit number, like this, right? है ना?
Yes,
So
sir.
when I will write here 1, so as you can say it is a number, and we can say that it is one digit number. What type of number? So one digit number, right? When I will write 1 and 3, it is two digit number, right? Two digit number, right? है ना? Similarly, when I will write 1024,
Yes, sir.
it is how many digits number? So it is four digit number,
Sorry?
right?
Yes, sir.
Four digit number, है ना? It is 4 digit number. Similarly you can make 5 digit, 7 digit, 10 digit, 8 digit, any number है ना, infinite digit number you can make it. Okay, so here we will learn about the larger numbers. Okay, larger numbers mean 5 digit numbers, 4 digit numbers, 7 digits, 6 digit, like this. Okay, is that clear?
Yes, sir. Clear.
Okay na. So see here, the outcomes of this chapter will be कि we will able to read and write the large numbers. Large numbers, in large numbers mainly we will learn about the 7 digits and above. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so I think here I will consider कि you have the knowledge of numbers till 6 digit number. Okay,
Yes, sir.
is that clear now? Ha, we will do the revisions also. Okay, before starting the 7 digit number. Okay,
Yes, sir.
and the second will be कि we can able to write and read the numbers as per Indian place value system or international place value system. Okay, after
Yes,
that
sir.
we will be able to find the face value and place value of any digit in a number. It is very interesting and easy topic, face value and place value. Okay, the meaning is already hidden in the name. Okay, so we will learn it with a very interesting way. Okay, next thing is कि we will be able to arrange it in a large numbers in a ascending or descending order. Okay, you
Yes,
know
sir.
about the ascending and descending now.
Yes, sir.
Okay, ascending means bottom to top. Okay,
Yes, sir.
like this, a
Top to
smaller
top.
to larger and a smaller number to
Yes,
greater number.
ascending.
Descending is the opposite of ascending, right? Top
Yes,
to
sir.
bottom, like this. Okay, and we can find the successor and predecessor of any number. Okay,
Yes,
this
sir.
is also the very interesting and easy topic, successor and predecessor. But some students get confused between successor and predecessor, right?
Yes, sir.
है ना, but I will give a trick to how to differentiate the successor and predecessor, which one is successor, which one is predecessor. So don't worry, we will discuss each and everything in a very easy way. Okay,
Yes, sir.
next thing is कि we will be able to form the smallest and largest number using the given digits. Okay, and the
Yes, sir.
next will be we can round off the numbers also.
Yes,
Okay
sir.
na. So here in class you have already learned about, in class 4th है ना, you have already learned about the 6 digit number. Okay,
Sir.
so here we will do the some revision. Okay, as an exercise has been given. So today we will do the some questions regarding this. Okay, and you have to solve the exercise, the questions as a homework. Okay, which I will give you. ठीक है,
Yes, sir.
after this we will start the next numbers that is beyond the 6 digit. Okay,
Yes,
right?
sir.
Yeah, so let's see here. Do you want to note down anything from this one?
Yes, sir. I wrote down.
Okay, so if you want to note down, please note down it. Okay, uh,
Yes, sir.
these are the examples. Okay, okay, done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so let's open your book, है ना? Keep
Yes,
your
sir.
book beside you. Here we will do the exercise 1A. Okay, this is the revision.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See the first question. Okay, the A, है ना? A.
Yes, sir.
As it is saying, कि write the number name for each of the flowing numerals. Okay,
Yes, sir.
see how you have to write it in your copy. First you have to give the question number. Okay, that is A, right?
Yes, sir.
Then don't write now anything. Okay, I will give the separate time. So first you
Yes,
have to do it, you have to do like this in your fair copy. Okay, है ना?
yes, sir.
In rough copy, you can directly do by giving the number. No need to write the whole question, okay? But in fair
Sir,
copy, you
rough
have to
copy
write
means
like this.
yes, sir. Sir, rough
What?
copy means homework.
Yeah, classwork, classwork. Rough copy means classwork copy. Or fair
Okay.
copy means homework copy, okay?
Okay.
Homework, homework copy means fair copy, rough copy, and the classwork copy means same, the same thing. So in
Yes,
this
sir.
way you have to write in your fair copy, homework copy, okay? In classwork
Yes,
or
sir.
in the classwork copy you can do by just by giving the number, okay?
Yes,
A1, A2, A3 like this, okay? No need to
yes, sir.
write the whole question, okay? But like this, see here how you will write. Okay, first you have to write the question by giving the number, that is A, okay? This one A, write the number name, है ना? Number
Yes, sir.
name, as it is your first time, that's why I am writing the question, okay? But from the next time you have to directly do it in your fair copy, okay?
Yes, sir.
है ना? Of the
Yes, sir.
flowing numbers, okay, like this. Now you will write the number 1. Now you have to write the question, okay? 7 lakh 50,032, right? है ना? See,
Yes, sir.
as you can see the margin now, you can see this margin.
Yes, sir.
It is
Yes,
also
sir.
in your copy, okay? So the
Yes,
number, question number which you will write, okay, or the arrow mark or anything other things, है ना? All these things you have to keep in left side of the margin, okay? Left side of the
yes,
margin.
sir.
In the right side of the margin you will write only the question and solution, I mean only main things, okay? Is that clear
Yes,
now?
sir.
So the
Yes.
line from where you will start the solution, you will give a arrow mark like this. Okay? Is it
Yes, sir.
clear? Hana?
Yes, sir.
Or any doubt?
No, sir.
So you have to give the arrow mark like this. See, here I am giving it again like this. Okay? You have to give the arrow mark like this. Okay? Now let's see
Yes, sir.
how you will do this type of question. 750, comma 032, okay? You will give a equal to mark like this, or you can also only give a arrow sign like this, okay? The ray like this, okay? Is it clear?
Yes.
So can you read this question? How
Yes.
you will read it? First you have to see in which form it is written. Is it in Indian place value system or international place value system? See the comma.
Indian
The
place
com
value system.
Indian place value system. Very good. The comma is giving, you have to see from the right side. After 3 digit, there is a comma. Then after 2
Yes,
digit,
sir.
there is a comma, right? So it's mean it is in
Yes.
Indian place value system, right? So we have to write the number name according to the Indian place value system. Okay? Is it clear now?
Yes,
So how we will write it? Can you please tell me? Just
sir.
tell me what will
Seven,
be the name for this number?
7 lakh fifty
Yes,
thousand
yes,
32.
32. Very good, है ना? So here we will write 7 lakh 50,000, है ना? 50,000
Yes, sir.
32, right? 32, and then you have to give the full stop mark, okay? If there will
Yes,
be
sir.
no space this side, then you can write in the next line, okay? If there will be no
Yes.
space in your copy this side, then you can write it in the next line, the rest part, okay? Is it clear? So you have to keep
Yes.
all these points in your mind, okay? And you have to
Yes, sir.
maintain your copy neat and clear, okay?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Is it clear or any doubt? So after this,
No, sir.
after doing the question number 1, A1, you have to do the second number by like this. Write the second, write here 2, okay? And then write the question 298500, okay? Is it clear now? So
Yes,
from
sir.
the line, from that line where from where you will start the answer, you have to give the arrow sign like this, okay? And
Yes,
write
sir.
the number, then give a arrow sign and write the number name. Is it clear? So you can do it now like this, and you have to follow this way in your test. Either it is your school test or tuition test, or in school exams also. Okay, is it clear now? So that whenever you will do like this step by step, you may not lose any marks. Okay, otherwise you
Yes.
may lose the marks, because in maths we have to mention each and every step. Okay, so
Yes,
first
sir.
of all, note down the part which I have already done. Okay, first of all, please note down it in your classwork copy, and then please try this question by yourself and send me the photo. Okay, so that I
Yes,
can
sir.
check it.
So,
First,
sir,
please
the
note down this
second
part.
one, sir, the second one, should I write it in the homework copy?
No, no, no. Classwork, classwork. Here we are doing everything in every task in classwork, na? So you have to note
Yes.
down it in classwork, okay? After the
Yes.
class, you have to note down all these points in your homework, and after that, you have to do the task which I will give you, okay?
Yes, sir.
But for now, please note down all these things in your classwork copy. Then do for question number 2, okay, by yourself. Is it clear? And if there will be any doubt, then please tell me.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Yes, dear. Yeah. Everything is correct. Just you have to improve your handwriting, है ना?
Yes, sir.
And as I have mentioned here, the arrow, right? This one.
Yes.
You have also mentioned this one. This is not the yeah, necessary things. Okay, I just draw here the arrow for explaining. Okay, this is not the important
Yes,
thing.
sir.
Okay, so you can ignore it.
Yes,
है ना? Yeah.
yes, sir.
Please cut the arrow, that one. Okay, and please improve your handwriting. Okay,
Yes, sir.
so in this way you can write the question number 1, right?
Yes, sir.
Can we move towards the question number 2?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now let's see the question number 2. You can see the margin na, of this page, the red one. It is in red color.
Yes, sir.
Can you see the
Yes, sir.
margin? Okay,
Yes, sir.
see, now you have to
Yes, sir.
do the second question. Okay, let's see how you will do. First you have to write B. Okay, then you have to write the question, है ना? Okay, then you have to write the question. Okay, did you understand,
Yes, sir.
or should I write it? Do you want
Yes,
it?
sir. No, 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 sir.
No need na. You got it na?
No, sir.
Okay, in classwork copy no
Yes, sir.
need to write the question. Okay, you just give the B and then one number and start the solving. Okay, write the question and start solving. But in the homework copy you have to write the question. Okay, that is ki write the flowing number in figures. Okay, so in the fair copy you have to write the question. Okay, write like this, write the flowing numbers in figure. Okay, this one you have to write it. Okay, in the fair copy only. Okay, now you have to write the question. So
Yes,
let's write it. This question you have to write in both copy. Okay, because this is the main question na. 3 lakh
yes, sir.
15,000 है ना? 15,700 721, right? 21 है ना? Okay, so let's see how we will write it.
Yes, sir.
As I told you कि we have to give the arrow mark, right? है ना?
Yes, sir.
Because here we are going to write the solution. Okay, so here we will write directly
Yes,
the
sir.
solution. Okay, directly here we will write the solution. Okay, so 3 lakh
Yes, sir.
15,721. Okay, So first of all,
Yes,
you
sir.
have to check it in which form it is given, Indian system or international system. Tell me.
Indian system.
Indian system. It's mean we have to write it according to the Indian system, है ना? So here we will write 3 lakh. So 3 will be in the place of lakh, right? 3 lakh
Yes, sir.
15,721. Okay, that's all. Like this. ANS. Okay, answer. That's all. Okay, you have to do it like this. Okay, so first note
Yes,
down
sir.
it and then do the question number 2 by yourself. Okay, what is the question
Yes, sir.
number 2? Let me write it. 8 lakh 4,000 205, right? 205.
Yes, sir. Five.
Okay, is it clear? This question you have to do by yourself. First note down this one. Okay, first note
Yes,
down
sir.
this one and then do for the question number 2. And here no need to write the question, this question. Okay, this line, see,
Yes, sir.
this one, the first one. Okay, because you are writing in the class or copy na. So for
Yes, sir.
now avoid this one, just write B, then write 1, write this whole question and write the answer. Similarly do for question number 2,
Yes,
write this whole question and do the answer. But in fair copy you have to write this question also. Okay, so that when you will do the revision you can easily understand ki what here you have to do. Okay, is it clear? Yeah, please note down it.
yes, sir.
Hmm. Hello. Yes,
Yes,
so
sir.
it's a 8 lakh 4,000 है ना. So here we will write
Yes, sir.
8 in the place of lakh 4,000, right?
Yes.
So in the
Yes.
10,000 place
Zero
it
two.
will be 0 है ना. And here
Yes.
200, so in the place of 2 100 and 5, it's mean there is nothing in tens place है ना. So it will be 0
Yes,
and
sir.
5. So this will be our answer. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
similarly you can do the whole question number 2 fully.
Yes, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Huh,
And you have to do third
then
and fourth one.
what?
Sir, I'm done with the first and second. Do you have to do third and fourth?
Yes, so here you have to write the place value है ना. Okay, so do
Yes,
you
sir.
know about the place value now?
Yes, sir.
हाँ, place value, see here, place value, right? Here you can see the two
Yes.
different one. The first one is the place and the second one is value. Okay, such as an example,
Yes, sir.
2 in 652310. Okay, so first understand the meaning of the place value. Okay, here we have to see the digit. Okay, whether that we have to see ki the digit is placed in which place. Okay, so that
Yes.
place will be the value for that digit. Okay, is it clear now?
Yes.
Suppose a person is sitting in your teacher's chair, then when you will see them, then you thought na ki he or she is your teacher, right?
Yes,
Right.
sir.
And when a person is sitting on your principal's chair, so when you enter the office and when you saw them, then you thought ki he or she is your principal, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
the place decides the value of the person, right? है ना.
Yes.
Similarly in maths, the digit which is placed in the place. Okay, so that place will decide the place value of that digit. Okay, as an
Yes.
example, here 2 is placed in which place? Let's see here. This is ones, tens, hundred, thousand, right? So as you can see here, 2 is placed in the place of thousand, right? So here the
Yes.
value of the 2 will be 2 into 1000, है ना? So it will be 2000. Is it clear? So its value will be 2000. Is it clear? Now the question is
Yes,
कि
sir.
how we will write it in our copy. Okay, let's see here. First you have to write the question. Okay, I am talking about your fair copy. Okay, first you have to write the question कि write the place value of, है ना? Then you have to write the one number 2 in 6 5 2 310, right? So let's see here how we will write it. So here we will write here
Yes, sir.
2 is in thousands place, right? Thousand,
Yes, sir.
thousands place. Okay, so place value will be you have to do it like this, equal to 2 into, in which place it is written, the 2 is in which place?
Sir, in thousands place.
Thousand place. So here we will multiply it by, tell me, 1000, है ना? 1000, yes. So here we will give the arrow sign, equal to sign again, and multiply it. 2 into 1000, what it will be?
2000.
Yes, 2000. Very good, है ना? And we will keep it inside a box, so it will be answer. ANS answer. Okay, is it clear? So in the same way you have to do the other questions. Okay, when it will be in the lakh place, when it will be in the place of lakh, then you have to multiply the number by 1 lakh, है ना? When it will be in the place of tens, then you have to multiply the number with 10, 1010. Okay, is it clear?
Yes.
है ना? So if you want to note down this question, you can note down it. Similarly, you have to do the question number D. In question number D, you have to just mark this two sign, this one or this one. So can you please tell me, this is the sign of this one?
Sir, the
Greater
first
than.
number is great.
Yes, है ना? Greater than. Okay. And this is smaller than, right? है ना? As an example,
Yes, sir.
you can see here 3, it is written like this. So here we will read it, 3 is greater than 1. And when it will be written like this, 5 and here 10. So we will read it, 5 is less than 10 or smaller than 10.
10.
है ना?
Yes.
So greater than or
Yes.
less than, or you can say smaller than, है ना? Okay? So
Yes, sir.
greater than or less than, ठीक है? Greater than or
Yes,
less
sir.
than. Instead of less than, you can say smaller than. 5 is smaller than 10. Okay? So smaller, or you can say less than. ठीक है? So 5 is less than 10. You can say like this. So if you want to note down these points, you can note down. Okay? And these all are your homework. A, B, C, D. Okay? These 4. A, fully you have to solve. A, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 questions are in A. Then you have to solve B. There are 4 questions in B. है ना? Then you have to solve the question C. There are 4 questions in C. And then you have to solve the question number D. There are 4 questions in D. Okay? So these are your homeworks. After this we will discuss in the next class. Okay?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear now? Or any doubt?
Sir, yes, sir. Sir,
Okay?
the question, can I do it in book?
No. No. You have to do it in your copy. Okay? है ना? Yes. I am saying for your benefit, है ना? Because when you will do in your copy, you will write each and everything, and it will be like a revision for you, है ना?
Yes, sir.
You will learn many things. When you will note down the question, directly or indirectly, you will also learn the spellings of the words,
Yes,
है ना?
sir.
And you will also do the work in your handwriting. So that's why I am saying to note down in everything in your copy. Okay? Is it
Yes,
clear
sir.
now? Okay.
Yes.
Any doubt regarding today's class?
No, sir.
Tell me.
No, sir.
Wait a minute. Wait. Hmm. So any doubt?
No, sir.
No. So for today, that's all. I hope you understand all the concepts and like the session. And after this, we will continue tomorrow. Okay.